great pleasure to have Nathan Hatch here this afternoon to help us celebrate the 5-year anniversary of the Center for Nanotechnology, Molecular Materials. Many of you know Nathan's been here for about 5 years also as well, and helped the university get through strategic planning process, and part of that planning process is the formation of new centers and institutes here. And Dave was the guinea pig, or I guess we should say the pilot rather than the guinea pig. So
you look at the posters, you see what we do to guinea pigs around here. So
right. So Nathan, welcome.
Great.
Thank you for coming.
Thank you, Mark. I'm delighted to be here on this auspicious day celebrating 5 years of the work of this center with David and many others of you. This is an important day, and I hope it just spurs us on for greater kind of scientific contributions in the future. For the last five years, those of us at Wake Forest have watched these explorations, and we've seen enormous progress made in the study of the tiniest nanoparticles. A new study by the Project on Emerging Technologies ranks North Carolina 8th nationally in nanotechnology companies, and we are excited to be a part of that success. When he first came to Wake Forest in 2003, Professor David Carroll faced the task of building a center capable of world-class research that would produce applications for medicine and organic devices. The results have been nothing short of outstanding. In 2007, just a few years after becoming operational, the center produced 2 spin-off companies in the Piedmont Triad Research Park. One of these, Fiber Cells, is developing fiber-encased solar cells for solar energy collection under high and low light conditions. And the other, Purelex, I see the Demon Deacon by the Purelex sign, is developing flexible panels and lighting. As these companies begin to grow and flourish, we're certain of that their economic contributions will be great. The potential for developments in nanomedicine is also promising. Researchers at the center are actively using infrared irradiation of carbon nanotubes to kill tumor cells, developing ultra-small pressure sensors for wound trauma, bioprinting cells for the creation of tissue scaffolds, and studying the safe use of nanoparticles in a variety of different biological environments. The future of nanotechnology here certainly looks bright. The application of Dave's research and that of other faculty associated with the center are exciting and hold great promise for future development. Dave has received over $4 million in external funding, published over 200 articles in scholarly journals, published textbooks, edited 2 others, and written a number of book chapters. And under his direction, the center has trained 13 graduate students, 11 undergraduates, 12 postdoctoral fellows, and granted 5 PhDs just in the last 5 years. David, do you ever sleep? Not much. Today, we've also heard from many of you about your ongoing research and various applications of this fascinating and important technology. These conversations have spurred our creative imaginations and broadened our perspective on the implications of this research. As we look forward to the next 5 years, we at Wake Forest are excited about the seemingly limitless possibilities. David, a hearty congratulations and thanks to all of you for being here. Let's give Dave a great hand.